Hello guys. So if you're looking how you can sign into your Lloyds bank account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can log into your Lloyds bank application. So keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any steps. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to your browser or mobile app version, and if you're using desktop or laptop, just simply go to a browser and search Lloyds bank. Then open the first link. Now after opening the first link, you will have two options. If you want to log into your personal account or business account, choose whichever option you want. You can also click over here on log on. Then you can choose personal and business over here as well. And if you don't have an account, you can click on register and make an account. So for example, if you want to log into your personal account, click on personal. Now after you're in your login page, just simply enter the details. Then if you want the browser to remember your ID and password, you can check this box. Or if you don't want it, just simply uncheck it. Then after doing all of that, just simply click continue. So by any chance, if you have forgotten your login ID or password, you can just simply click on forgotten your login details, and then you can recover or reset your login ID or password through your email, which is linked to your bank account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.